welcome back to my channel. Noah's Pajama Party. Today we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies. And before we get to the video, let's wash our hands like scrub-a-dub-dub. Ingredient list is chocolate chips, flour, brown sugar, butter, salt, baking soda, vanilla extract, and eggs. Next, we're gonna put the flour and the baking soda in. There's already salt on the butter, so we're not gonna put that in. So anyway, let's just do this. Okay, time for the flour. Big dump. Now let's mix. Okay, guys. Next, we're gonna add butter. We're gonna add brown sugar. We're gonna add sugar. We're gonna add vanilla extract and eggs. Beat until creamy. Now that mixture is creamy, we're gonna add flour a little at a time. Now that we have our mixture combined, let's add some chocolate chips. Sheet pan, let's start to lay out our cookie dough. Bake at 375 for 9 to 11 minutes or until golden brown. Baking, hit the subscribe button, turn that notification bell, and give me a huge thumbs up. And subscribe to my other videos in the past, and go watch them. Okay guys, this is my favorite part. Let's eat. And there's nothing better than homemade chocolate chip cookies. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!